कालची विजिट आमची जी आली आमची डेस्क इंचार्ज बाब माणिकराव ठाकरे आमचे CWC मेंबर बाब गिरीश चोडणकर अमित पाटकर आणि मी वी हॅड दिस मीटिंग विथ नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट खरगेजी आमचे लीडर ऑपोजिशन राहुल गांधीजी तसेच KC वेणुगोपाल आमचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑर्गनायझेशनाचे आणि गोवा वॉज डिस्कस्ड एट लेंथ इलेक्शन प्रिपेअर्डनेस issues pertaining to the state were discussed and all these issues now unemployment, now corruption, now failure of administration, जे फायनान्शियल क्रायसिस ती गोंयांत जे पडो जाता हे इश्यू सगळे आमी एक्सप्लेन केलेले आसा आणि खास करून आमचे लीडर बाब राहुल गांधीन has noted all these issues and definitely with the upcoming parliamentary session wherever possible these issues will be pressed. This is a lengthy session that is coming and election preparedness, how we are going to face the election. Several suggestions were made and as part of strengthening the organization it is decided to have 4 districts in the state of Goa, which I believe the president will announce. I will not go into details. म्हाका दिसता आज जेन्ना आमी जिल्हा परिशदाचे इलेक्शन हेजे ब्रीफ आमी आमच्या लिडराक दिलेले आसा on what and how about we should go in the future. Definitely गोंयकारांक सगळे एकठांय झालेले जाय आणि जेन्ना आमी ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्स म्हणून एक टॅग दिलेले म्हाका दिसता हेय आमी आमचे लीडर बाब राहुल गांधी लागीं उलयलेले आहाय नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट लागीं उलयले आहाय की गोंयकार कशे आमी being the Congress party it is our duty to take the opposition along and I discussed that personally and I have full faith that whatever needs to be done in the interest of the state because आज ज्या पद्धतीन आज ज्या भ्रष्ट जुमला पार्टीन हे सरकार जे लुटता करप्शन जे चलता एंड गोंयकारांक सगळे एकठांय झालेले जाय ऑपोजिशनाक सगळे एकठांय झालेले जाय आणि डेफिनेटली if you see it is if you look technically it's less than a year the elections are going to be there in 2027 and strategies were discussed in length on how we should go about what are the issues what should be our promise to the people of Goa on what we will scrap what type of land convergence what type of corruption how unemployment issues should be basically resolved. So this was discussed at length and it was a very positive meeting. Our leadership was kind enough to listen to us for the problems faced by the people of Goa. आणि म्हाका खात्री आहे कित्याक काँग्रेस पक्ष एक पक्ष ज्या पक्षान सदांच गोंया खातीर ओपिनियन पोल दिलो स्टेटहूड दिली कोंकणी भाशा दिली आणि ज्या पद्धतीन जे काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या टेन्युअर म्हाका दिसता आज इतले डेव्हलपमेंट गोंयभर जाले जे प्रोजेक्ट जे युनिव्हर्सिटीज ज्यो इंडस्ट्रीज जावं ज्यो ब्रिज्यो हे सगळे काँग्रेसाच्या टायमार जाल्यो आणि taking म्हाका दिसता our leader Bab Rahul Gandhi is taking keen interest in the state of Goa and we are confident that whatever strategies we discussed we have to hit the streets we have to meet certain people we have to convey to the people of Goa that we want everyone and we will fight for Goa's interest.
Anything about the alliance?
No, definitely. See, as I said, Grand Opposition Alliance is a platform where all the political parties in the opposition have to get along. The Congress being the party or the principal opposition party, it is our duty. As you saw, Assembly आमी ज्या पद्धतीन एकठांय झुजले आनी जेन्ना आमी एकठांय झुजले तेजो परिणाम सरकाराचेर जालो तुमकां दिसलें governor's address it was basically we started relating also for the governor to speak on the Birch tragedy. There's nantar several issues, law and order situation, several issues. Birch was discussed, opinion poll was discussed, Asmita amchi kide, and it was also acknowledged by Bab Nilesh Kabral, the contribution of the Congress party. It is said that some people today who I सांगेल ते भाशेन थोड्यांनी डायपर पाजू काँग्रेसा हुसता गेला आणि ते हे मेळटा कितें मेळटा ते कितें म्हणटा तेका सेरलॅक बी ते पासो काँग्रेसा हुसता घेतला आणि आज हे 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 जे म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेसा हुसता इतले जाले पूण खूब दूख जाता बट नेवरदलेस आय थिंक द पीपल आर वॉचिंग वी आर कॉन्फिडंट दॅट definitely the Congress will come into power in 2027 and गोंयकाराची जे एक अपेक्षा ती अपेक्षा आमचे मध्ये आम्ही सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावपाक जाय सो इट इज माय ड्युटी ऑल्सो एज लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन एंड आय डू नॉट हॅव एनी इगो एनी पॉलिटिकल डिफरन्सेस इट इज एवरीवन इज फायटिंग टू सेव द स्टेट ऑफ गॉड एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली वर्क टुवर्ड्स दिस युनायटेड ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्स आय थिंक इन द न्यू इयर एक नवी सुरवात जे हांवें सांगलो म्हज्या बड्ड्याक ती जावपाची गरज आसा Now some people might like it, might not like it. That will not stop me from एकठांय करपाक गोंयकारांक आनी every तालुका, every जिल्ला, every place. You see, जिल्ला परिशदाच्या इलेक्शनाक जायते या बीजेपी मनीस सांगताले रिजर्वेशन केले, पयशे घातले, लोकांक धमक्यो दिल्यो. We almost formed the panel in South Goa, and we. If we had to course correct certain decisions, we would have also done very well in North Goa. So the people want a united opposition, and definitely it is something that we have to strengthen our party as well across the base, across the state, and we will do that in the interest of
our party also is one.
I said every opposition political party. So I've been very clear. I think every political party that is in the opposition. Also, some people who are supporting the ruling, जेंका स्वप्न पडे केन्ना स्वप्न येता आनी खास करून 3-3 म्हयन्यान मागीर टक करून भायर सरताय पूण तांकां पावराक रावपाची म्हाका दिसता एक आयडिया आसता and you will definitely see a change but this time I think स्वप्न येता आसतना रियलिटी चिंतून येवपा जाय पोत मागीर थिंगा घुसपा शिरीपणा थिंगाच त्याच हितून So, आमकां दिसता की people want a change. It is up to us to forget our differences, forget our ego, and definitely you will see that unitedly we have to fight this government against. You can see the people of Chinbel today, the way they are protesting so many days, and this government is not bothered. I have heard that the reports are being saying that the lake. The influence zone are there. So they are basically fooling the people. I think Captain Virato has also put a question in the parliament to raise that issue. So when people today, Khaskar on ST people, who are fighting for their rights today, it is our duty. We are watching. Whenever they give a political call, whenever they are going to hit the streets, the Congress party, and we will be there with them.
Yuri, one more thing is that you spoke about getting all alliance together. But is everything okay within your party, where you all are all together?
See, no political party has, in the opposition, there are very, very small opportunities. There is no question of me being okay or not okay. We don't have a chance. It is the people, and we have to channelize the people's aspiration, forget our differences. I'm not telling you that everything is all is well, all is well. All is well, all is well, all is well. The all is well. Ahana, सोडून दिया. गोंयच पासत आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावपाक जाय. गोंयच पासत मुखार एकठांय जातले म्हाका खात्री आहा. आनीक आमी जरी तर जायनाय जाल्यार ह्याच भ्रश्ट जुमला पार्टीचे मनीस फायदो घेतले. फायदो घेवन म्हाका दिसता पोत ते वोट स्प्लीट जायन तेच एडवांटेज घेतले.
पण तुज्या पार्टीन भितर कोण फायदो घेताले?
ते पार्टीचे कोण फायदो घेता कोण फायदो घेना ते म्हाका दिसता कोणाकूच ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी हे दिसा आसपाना. It is very, very clear. It is a very, very clear message, not only for us, for everyone, that we have to unitedly fight this. People are going to bless us. And definitely you will see a lot of things to come in the next few days, few months, a lot of things to come, a lot of initiatives. And I definitely, as leader of opposition, it is my duty to take everyone along, which I will do in the interest of the state.
But when you speak about Grand Alliance, are you confident that other parties will join you? Because what we have seen in ZP election, we don't think that those will join you.
See, this is something that every political party, they all feel that everyone has to unite. It is a very, very simple formula. Now, how to unite? On what grounds to unite? Definitely, we have to negotiate. We have to talk, sit down together, and decide the future political thing. But today, the Congress Party is prepared. Is going to. This is a party that is young. We have a young president. We have a young people. You had a young youth president the other day. You saw the Josh within the cadre. They are eager to go ahead. So everyone needs to get along. If we get along together, definitely we will do what is best for Goa. Especially आज जे पद्धतीन लूट चललेली आसा वयता थिंगा the sale of land is sold north, south, east, west, corruption, fake जे promises. आता एक one thing about that 100 rooster PG program आम्ही 4 वर्सां जाली जावपाक जाय OBC भुरग्यांक ते तेमी आज केलेले आसा after 3 or 4 years and ते assurance last जुलयाक आमकां दिल्ले 7 दिसां भितर करते. But nevertheless आज तेमी cabinet decision घेतले. I think time and over again we took this issue in the assembly. The same way issues that were raised in the assembly, we will take them to logical end, especially the culprits who are responsible for the deaths of the Birch, innocent lives that were lost. We need to fix political accountability as well. I asked for sacking of ministers. I asked for political accountability. This government was not serious. But definitely we are watching. देवी लायरायची जेन्ना जात्रेन जेन्ना लोक मेले तेजोय रिपोर्ट आज अजून पेंडिंग आसा. So the report कित्याक not tabled on the floor of the house? Why is the report of Birch also not tabled on the floor of the house? That's why we had asked for a CBI inquiry. Whether the bill that was bought was to protect these people is another big question. So these are things as opposition we discuss, and definitely whatever is happening in the state is not in the interest of Goa. Yem Bhrashta Jumla party is turning Goa today into a murder capital, rape capital, of unemployment. I think certificate mala chief minister of being the one of the highest unemployed state. So where are we heading? So this nothing but jungle raj happening. Sound norms are being basically violated day in day out. If you see on all the thing, 10 p.m. Kazara a private member's resolution last time moves calling attention. Yes, session ki 12 Kazar bhi जावपा permission दितले मो ओयचो यायशे तेचे लुटी कांयच ना तेज मुखार absolutely no progress. They are not serious. You can see and a lot of confusion. And main म्हणटा ते आमकी की गोंयकारपण जे आमचे एक कर्तव्य जाता सांबाळपाक ट्रेडिशन गोंयकाराक जरी तर हेजो आज फायदो जायना जाल्यार कोणाक for what are these policies bought? So basically, yeah.
कालचे तुमचे मिटिंगेन आता सांगले तुम्ही सगळं पण आमकां तुमचे अशें आसा की नेक्स्ट इलेक्शना पयलीं तुमचे भितर पार्टीचे कांय चेंजीस जातले लिडराचे काल तुमी उलयले कितपत
कोणान सांगितलं तुका
कितपत खरें आसा म्हणजे तुमचे हे आसा
But there is also some news. Is it?
No, who has given you that news?
Sources.
So exactly. So sources. You all will not name the source. And will you all name your source? So you expect me to name or say
No, but
exactly what?
since you have spoken to your party leaders, are there any changes?
See, whatever was discussed is part of a party forum. It is our strategy. I don't think it's right for me to discuss whatever was discussed within the party forum. It is discussed at the party forum, and it is our duty, whatever is discussed, to keep it within the party too. I am not the type of a person who is going to give you a lollipop. That whatever was discussed there, that you all can sensationalize that news. Things were discussed. We need to strengthen our party. We need to strengthen our base, we need to strengthen our group workers, and everyone has unitedly to do that. That was what was given to us.
Strengthen your party by certain changes. You mean to say that also?
Changes can happen in the grassroots, changes can happen at the block level, changes are told to happen at the district level. We are going to have 4 new districts. So all these things we are
And
looking
not
at a
at-
poll
And
preparedness.
what about PCC level?
See, I'm not that person to comment on, I have no authority. It is the party high command to decide. We are all, whether I'm leader or opposition today, is because my MLAs have made me the party high command. Tomorrow if they want to change me, they change me at the stroke of a sign. So what can I say about that? But definitely we are asked to unitedly fight this election, unitedly strengthen the bloc, unitedly strengthen every constituency, unitedly strengthen the districts, which is a very, very important thing, because the district will play a very important role. They are part of the election process. So apart from the PCC president, the CLP leader, other members of the election commission, the High Command, the district will also be someone who will be responsible during ticket allotment. So they will be taken into
One more
account.
thing.
mentioned 4 districts.
Yeah.
चार डिस्ट्रिक्ट आहे का ना?
No, so actually, see, गोंयांत 2 district आहले, 3 केले.
चौथी जातली म्हणटा तुम्ही.
आमची चौथी किती जातली रे? आम्ही 4. Let's be honest, we are practical. We feel, I felt, the party president felt, CWC member felt, that there have to be 4 districts, whatever be the boundary. There will be 4 offices of the Congress party that are going to function. There is a process that will start. Observers from Delhi will be deputed to the state of Goa shortly, where they will meet every Karyakarta, they will meet every block member, every district member, after which names will be suggested for district presidents, 4 districts in the state of Goa, after which the process, these names will, then we will have 4 districts, and you will see that Congress is operating
those 4
comfortably.
districts are only for Congress or you want
Yes,
to make
only
it
for Congress.
Okay, you know, one more thing is that, just a clarification, one more thing is, काल तुमचा फोटो पडलेलो तू आणि गिरीश एके सायडीच्यान मानिका ठाकरे आणि प्रेसिडेंट त्या सायडीच्यान अशें कितें डिफरन्सेस बा कितें दिसलेले एक पळय बेस्ट फोटो म्हणून
Balance.
आता मरे तुवें गिरीशान म्हाका काँग्रेसीन हाडलो त्या टायमाक हांव त्या सायडीन बसलोलो आतां सायडी बसत जाल्यार कोणा आतां दुसरे बायले घेवन बसले जाल्यार सांगो जाता आनी तुम कोणा बारा बसते ते बाजू
ना, ना, photo-
हे कितें जालें हे सांग
एक प्रश्न आलो तुम्ही आता ओरिजिनल म्हणता की 2027 इलेक्शन त्याच्या पयलीं म्युन्सिपालिटीची इलेक्शन आसा तेजेर तुमचे कितें discussion
100%. सगळे आम्ही I'll tell you today in the state at 5 places out of 12, 5 places we have clear cut advantage of the 12 that will go to polls. Now there are our partners, our alliance partners also that have say in certain municipalities. Taking everyone into confidence, I feel that we will go ahead, and I feel even the Panjim, the corporation election, I feel that whatever a decision will be taken unitedly by certain individuals in the interest of our capital, because capital is the heart. हार्ट अटॅक जावपा शिरीपणा हार्टांतल्यान पयलीं सगळें साफ जावन वचपा जाय. म्हाका खात्री आहा की this time there will be it is work in progress, but definitely whatever Ponjekars give a call to unitedly fight the current dispensation of the BJP in the interest of Panjim. Whatever needs to be done will be done.
No, but how it can be done on the last day? ZP तुमका last day दिसा देखो तुम टिकेट
टाइम आता
दिला.
खूप कमी आसा
मिकी पाटील म्हणला
एजंट ऑफ कंट्रोल करता मिकी
पण तुम्ही थोड्यांकडनं
अल्टिमेटम
जाऊ
दिला
एक इंसान
Last day दिसा तुम्ही.
म्युन्सिपालिटी खूप कमी टाइम सो तुम्ही कितें म्हणजे कितको तुमकां टाइम मेळटलो आनी ऑलरेडी तुम्ही म्हणटा
So we are already in talks. I do not want to discuss because it is not right for me to put it out in public domain without things working out. But definitely the Congress party will support a group of people that want Panjim to be Panjim once again. Panjim that was पणजे म्हणजे आमची कॅपिटल आणि पणजे सध्या चलत ती आज फक्त कसिनो दिसते. स्मार्ट सिटीच्या नावान करप्शन चालू वयता थिंगा ट्रॅफिक जॅम. पणजेच्या नावान जे पड एक म्हाका दिसता इलेक्शन जातले. This will be an eye opener and definitely the Congress party will support and will work together with individuals who work in the interest of Panjim.
No, but will you announce it on time? Well before, because last time
100%.
तुमका देखून जवळच्या पडले that be seats दिवपा.
That it is my duty. I am the CLP, the Congress Legislative Party wing. Definitely the sentiments of the people, the party that is the Congress party, other political parties, whether they are aligning with individuals, it is work in progress and it will be definitely you will see in a few days that in the interest of Panjim we have to do.
So Congress will not put its own candidates in party level.
See, there is no party symbol there.
इथून
There
एक
is no
सांग
party symbol.
इथून एक की पणजे तुम्ही म्हणला सपोर्ट करतले. आता अशें आहा की मनोहर पर्रीकाराचो चेडो उत्पल पर्रीकार हो आपले पॅनल दवरतलो. तेणी ऑलरेडी डिक्लेअर केला. सो तुम्ही तेका सपोर्ट करतले कितें
आणि तेतून दत्ता प्रसादांनी म्हटलं की काँग्रेस सगळ्यांनी त्यांच्या एका सपोर्ट
सपोर्ट
करतो.
करचो
हे 2 महिने उरले.
सो
So,
तुम्ही
would you support
तुम्ही
that
तेका
and,
सपोर्ट करतले.
Reservation येयले
रिझर्वेशन येताना येऊन ना.
केन्ना सो कोणा हुंय बसोवपाचो कितें बसोवपाचें एज आय सेड I believe that there is a process and there is an idea behind getting Panjim to be Panjim again. जे पणजेच्या गांवांत आशिल्लें, the lost glory of our capital. Today it is stinking. There is garbage. There is chaos. There is casinos. All these things need to go. And for that, whatever initiatives need to be done, you said Utpal Parikar, Datta Prasad. Definitely the Congress party will look into all this. But this is in the interest of the state or in the interest of the capital. So why should we not be part of something that is betterment of the capital?
Sir, during the recently concluded assembly session, there was a verbal spat between you and the DCP minister, and allegedly a hand gesture was made. So these activists, including Swapnij, they have criticized Congress for not taking up that issue.
See, let me be.
And sir, they have also, to my knowledge, they have written to you requesting you to lodge a complaint before the speaker. So what do you have to say on this?
See, first of all, we could see certain hand movements. दोड बीड मारताले. And that दोड बीड मान आता इतले वाढला की हात हालोवपा लागले. हात हालोवप म्हळ्यार एक हें ना, सोबना. त्या टायमार if you see or get the verbatim, at that particular time, allegations were made on the Congress party that whatever destruction was done during the Congress era. At that particular time, I said that our leader, the tallest leader of the Congress party was Pratap Singh Rani. He was the highest tenure as the chief minister. If you look at what, maybe it's not captured on the visuals, but if you listen to the audio, at that particular time, when there was mass conversion, when the people did not want, I said that Bab Digambar Kamath was also on chief minister, but these projects were scrapped. SEZ was scrapped. Regional plan at that particular time was scrapped. So what does this say? And what do I talk about these type of people? Number 2, please make sure to check. I believe it had gone from my office as well. That I have already written to the speaker. But it is sad to see that few people, I don't know, few people published it or did not publish it. That is up to you. But I have already written about the gesture. I have shared the video personally with the speaker. And I think that it is best that you will ask the speaker now. No? The speaker is responsible for what is the custodian of the house. You all should ask. I ask for accountability. There has to be, one needs to have, it is a house. It is not something that we start tomorrow abusing in the way with things that were seen, the gestures that were seen. So at the same time, it is the duty of the speaker to make sure that the house functions in that order. I have written to him. So you can ask the speaker of what action. I have written to him. The action is expected.
बरं,
ओके विलियम काल फाटल्या दिसांनी पळयला की निकी पाचेकोनी कल्टिवेटर दिला काँग्रेस पार्टीक की 1 महिन्या भितर तुमचो जो अलायन्स आसा ते डिक्लेअर करचे
कोणाको अलायन्स करपाचें
ते तुमकां विचारता तुमची कितें स्ट्रॅटजी आसा
बरें
ती
वय रे मागीर कोणाको करप
सो तुम्ही त्यांचे जे डिमांड्स आसा ते कन्सिडर करता काय
कितें डिमांड तेगेलें
की तुम्ही इन
तेका अलायन्स करप म्हणून
विथ अदर पार्टीज ऑल्सो
Sir,
लायक ते म्हणटा
I-
तांकां सफिशियंट टायम गावना बाकीच्या पार्टीक ती प्रिपेअर
तो उंच
करपाक
पार्टीन आहा आतां
सद्या तो नासता तेंच्या फाटीन पूण तो
मागीर कोणा बारा करप
so do you feel that Miki Pacheco has the same relevance in politics now, which
Boss, I will not confirm on who has. It's not a question about someone having relevance or proving right or proving wrong. I have been right from day one, keeping my political differences aside. I believe that it is my duty to unite everyone. I did it in the House. You've seen every time you have a poll question to me, Vidhan Sabha and United Opposition आसतले. My last तुम केन्ना म्हणाय वय खरेंच युनायटेड आशिल्ले म्हणून ना रे ते केन्ना म्हणला तुमी 3 वर्सां जाली एज लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन सेशनाक पयले जाता तुमी युनायटेड आसतले तुम केन्ना मुखेलमंत्री इंचाल ना रे तुमी युनायटेड नासलोले केन्ना इंचाल ना तुमी
But sometimes we feel you are
You tried for ZP also, but ते झाले ना. असे
See, let us. It was possibly an experiment. Some people burned their hands in it.
Experiment. You had to fight for some of the seats.
No, exactly. See.
So what experiment
See,
then?
no. Some political parties felt that they should go individually. Some felt no, we have to unitedly fight. But it is something. A lot of people learned their lesson. Some people burned their hands. But right now, it is for us to decide in the interest of the state because the people are watching. There has to be accountability. Accountability needs to be fixed. And today, people want an alternative to this corrupt BJP. And the alternative to this corrupt BJP, the only way forward is that we move together. एक नवी सुरवात आणि ही सुरवात ज्या पद्धतीन करपाक जाय हुंय वचपाक जाय कोणाक लागीं बसपाक जाय all these things will be done and all these political parties we are all in touch and definitely what needs to be done in the interest of the state will be done.
One more thing, just like when you say all needs to come together, well, then what will happen to your party leaders who are working in those constituencies? If certain constituencies you have to sacrifice.
See, what needs to happen. It is, but Goenkar point पहिले येतना रे. First, I always say we have to save the little whatever is left for Goa. What is going to happen? They sacrifice. Sacrifice done in the interest of Goa is good. When sacrifices need to be done, there's no harm in it.
Do you aware that one largest casino board is coming in the Mandi?
See, all of these casinos, this is a sin city. I have been right from day one very vocal that this is not our culture. Under the pretext of offshore casino, they are today basically there. Some people give slogans 100 days भितर बंद करतले. केन्ना आमी मुखेलमंत्री सांगता आज they have to pay hundreds of thousands of crores of rupees. Some cases are sub judice, but they have to pay. And today another Mandovi river, if you see, is completely polluted. Completely polluted. Think कित जाता ते machine चलताय कोण मोठा थिंगचो सुरे थिंगा सोटाय घाण सोताय आनी कितें कोण मोठा नुस्त्या हायल्या कॅन्सर जाता मागीर पणशाचे आमदार मोठा कांय ना मो तशें सो हें सगळें चयल्यार म्हाका दिसता इट इज अ जोक हे जे मुखेलमंत्रीन एक म्हाका दिसता अप टू मार्च 2027 तांकां एक्सटेंशन दिलो आहा सो हांवें मुखेलमंत्री लागीं प्रश्न केलो की तुवें मार्च तेच नंतर तूं बंद कोतलो मार्चा हाडल्या न्हू हो कोतलो करपा ना आनी ही परंपरा गोंयकाराची वचोन थिंगा जुगाड हाडपाचो थिंगा वचोन ही परंपरा आनी बीजेपी पार्टी ही प्रमोट कोता इन द विच मरे सगळे पुलिसी बोर्ड कसिनो आनी हुंय कसिनो this is not the interest. We have basically turned this into a sin city. Our capital city is turned into a sin city. This needs to stop. This is not in the interest of the state.
Okay, you are confident that in March, in 2027, we will be forming government. So after forming government, you will be removing all the sources out of Mandavi?
See, I will tell you, we have a common minimum program that I will not just shoot in the air. Okay, this common minimum program will be brought towards the people of Goa. this common minimum program will have issues of casinos, unemployment, corruption, job scams, land scams, everything. We will be very, very clear, crystal clear on what is for Goa, what is not for Goa. When we come to power, what we will scrap and what will be retained. So we are we will be very, very clear. You will see in our manifesto things that are not in the interest of the state. Let me be honest. Whether how many Goans get employment within this casino, within whatever is happening, all this after having basically working out with all other, our party will come out with a manifesto, and you will see, and we will be very clear. Ki enough is enough.
So right now you are not clear about removing casino out of Mumbai.
100% I am clear that it has to be removed. You are asking me about March 2027. We have to scrap them. See, you asked me about March 2027 after we come to power. That is what you ask me now. Then I will tell you. I am very clear. They have to be thrown out of the state, completely out. Not only on land. Take them away. Take them to Haryana. Take them to Delhi. Take them to Bombay. Take them to Delhi. Take them there.
Also,
We don't
you
want
not answer.
everything.
Both.
You not answer that the board is coming. Will you Congress will oppose that with the board, because last time that Gram Sabha happened, the race 7th floor.
सांगोत ते भाशेन गोंयची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी कितली, गोंयचे हे कसिनो जे पडे येताय हे कित्या लागून गोंय येताय, कोणाच फायद जाता, सरकारा रेव्हेन्यू मेळटा, गोंयचे नांव पाड जाता, अंडर कसिनो prostitution, अंडर कसिनो हवाला रॅकेट, अंडर कसिनो EDs have raided these people. So what do you see? This is Goa in Goa's interest. Definitely we will oppose it. 100%. This is not in the interest of the state. They काडाच लँड 14 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर कन्वर्ट करपाक गेली ते ऑपोज केले मरे ते हांवें काडलो मरे प्रश्न थिंगा ते कोणा इंटरेस्टान कोताय ते कोणालो इंटरेस्ट आहा तितून न्हू कोणालो इंटरेस्ट आहा 3 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर कमांड एरिया डिनोटिफाय करपाक हांवें प्रश्न केलो मरे आनी पयल डिनोटिफाय केली आनी मागीर काडा मिटींग कोताय म्हणजे कितें जाता काड.
Okay, last question that on 13th, Chimpan people will be holding agitation, big agitation. So you will be participating in that agitation?
You think I will not participate? I will not
We
participate.
are asking you this.
You will see, no?
Okay.
Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.